Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So we were talking about conjunction and disjunction, and or, and have we done the truth table? If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can go watch it. It's in my channel. And let's do some examples of truth tables. Using this conjunction and disjunction as well. So simple proposition. First of all, let us draw one simple proposition, P and Q. You can write true, false, or true, true, false, false, whichever way you like. I'm writing this right now because that's what is written here. True, false, true, false. Do not do the same for both because you have to get it different. Now this is the truth table for P and Q. P and Q are two propositions, simple propositions. Now how to do the conjunction and disjunction, which we just now talked about. Well, conjunction means and disjunction means or, and is denoted by this, and or is denoted by this. And is up and or is down. Just remember it like this is negative, so it's down, and the other one it's up. Just remember disjunction and you can easily write the conjunction. So next step, let's do the conjunction. P and Q, that is conjunction. True and true. What is true and true? Well, if two things are true, then the answer is true because it is and. And means that both the conditions have to be true. If it is both true, if A is true and B is true, both A and B is true, then the answer is true. Otherwise, if A is true and B is false, then the answer is false. So both should be true, that is and conjunction. So in this case, it's both true and thus we write true. Here it's not both true, it's one is true and one is false, so it's false. One is false and true, false. False and false, false. So the only scenario where it's both true is the first one, and in that the answer is true. Next, let's do disjunction. I hope you already know what disjunction means. It means or, and dis means negative. So if you do dis negative, it's down. P or Q. And in or, there is one positive thing about or, and that is if any one of the thing if any one of the proposition is positive, then both are positive. I mean the answer is positive. Then if one of the proposition, whether it be P or whether it be Q, if any of it is positive, then the answer is going to be positive. That is disjunction or. Now for that, true and true, one of it is true, that's why it's true. False and true, one of it is true, so true. This is also true, and this is false, because one of it has to be true, only then the answer is true. So only the last one is false, other than that all of it is true. So that is disjunction. Now I hope you understood what disjunction and conjunction means. Next step, we have to do negation. I think we have already done negation, but let me do it again. P and Q, true, false, not P and Q, P and negation. Negation P. If there is true, the negation is false, and if there is false, the negation is true. This is negation. Now let us see in the next video about converse, inverse and contrapositive statements.